Hey guys, how's it going? This is Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and I'm back again to push the MR-1 a little bit harder. So that last video was fun. You know, we did 3/4 deep, 30,000 step over, 235 inches a minute, but I was like a little underwhelmed. I want to see if it can do a 60,000 step over without pulling the end mill out of the ER20 collet. So that's been the limit when I try to push the MR-1 hard, is it pulls the end mill out of the ER20 collet. Let's go ahead and give this part a run. There you go. So that answers the question. Yes, it absolutely can. That was a lot of material in a very short amount of time. We're going to be able to really turn up the performance on the MR-1. So thanks for watching, guys. If you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I appreciate those, and I like talking to you guys and learning new stuff. Anyways, that's all I got this time. We'll see you later.